The National Electrical Code, or NEC, limits the maximum conductor fill for raceways, such as pipes, to prevent excessive heating and potential fire hazards. For 1.25-inch rigid polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, pipe, the maximum allowable conductor fill is 43%. Number 6 American wire gauge, or OLC, wire has an approximate outside diameter of 0.162 inches. The cross-sectional area of the pipe is approximately 1.23 square inches. To determine if the conductor fill exceeds the maximum limit, we need to calculate the total cross-sectional area of the conductors. Let's assume we have 3 number 6 American wire gauge wires. 3 times 0.162 inches times 0.162 inches equals 0.83 square inches. Then, we have 1 number 6 American wire gauge ground wire, which is also 0.83 square inches. The total cross-sectional area of conductors is 0.83 square inches times 4, which equals 0.332 square inches. Conductor fill is calculated as the total cross-sectional area of conductors divided by the cross-sectional area of the pipe, multiplied by 100%. In this case, it's 0.332 square inches divided by 1.23 square inches, multiplied by 100%. This results in a conductor fill of 27.0%. Therefore, the conductor fill for this installation is 27.0%, which is below the maximum allowable fill limit of 43%. The maximum conductor fill limitation has not been exceeded. While the NEC typically limits conductor fill for raceways, there is an exception for standby generator wiring. Article 702.5c of the NEC allows for a higher conductor fill of up to 50%, provided that the following conditions are met. Firstly, the generator is rated at 10 kilowatts or less. Secondly, the conductors are in a raceway. And thirdly, the conductors are not in a wet location. A fourth condition is that the maximum demand on the branch circuit does not exceed the rating of the generator. If the generator is capable of producing more than 10 kilowatts, the special exception does not apply. However, if the conductor fill is below the allowable 43% limit, the installation is still compliant with the NEC.